Hello everyone. Today is August 14th, 2024. It's Wednesday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. Faraday Future's stock price fell sharply by 10% on Tuesday, with a trading volume of 40 million shares and a turnover rate of 9.2%, both of which were lower than the previous trading day. This shows that market confidence has not yet recovered and not much money has flowed into the market. On August 5th, the stock fell by 14.7% and the trading volume was significantly enlarged. However, the stock price did not really rebound the next day, but fell by 0.04% in a reduced volume, which also marked that the stock price entered another wave of downward trend again. On August 12th, the stock traded 48 million shares. Did big capital enter the market to take over the chips? It seems not to be the case because the stock price fell again by 10% the next day, which is obviously a signal of big capital outflow again. So far, the current price of the stock has fallen below the lowest price it created in June this year. This situation does not seem good. In addition, the sector where the stock belongs, auto manufacturers, rose sharply by 3.8% on Tuesday. Tesla, Rivian Automotive, NIO, and Lucid Group stocks all performed well, but the stock lagged significantly behind the sector index. So what will happen to the stock next? Where is the bottom? Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. On August 7th, the stock price fell by 12.3%, and its net capital outflow was $1.14 million, which was inconsistent with its trading volume changes. The trading volume on that day was lower than that on August 5th, but such a high net capital outflow amount indicated that the capital outflow accounted for a large proportion on that day, which was a negative bearish signal. On August 12th, the stock price fell by 4.4%, which doesn't look like a lot, right? But its net capital outflow was as high as $1.06 million, which was consistent with its trading volume changes. But then we saw a trading day that continued to fall. This also proves the large amount of capital outflow on that day. At the same time, it also extinguished the hope of a rebound in the stock price at this position. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. The stock price continues to fall at $2.60, but there is almost no significant change in the positions below, and it is even difficult to find a significant peak part. Most of the positions at 20 cents also come from before, so the lack of significant accumulation of new positions proves that no big capital has entered the market to take over the chips, which is consistent with its trading volume changes. And there are even fewer positions below 20 cents. Of course, no one can accurately predict when big funds will enter the market to push the stock price to rebound. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, or next month. But at present, there is no significant sign that this will happen. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Through the above technical analysis, I think the stock will continue to fall because there is no sign of any rebound. As for where the bottom is, I gave 3 support positions, which are 16 cents, 10 cents, and 6 cents. The company's operating conditions are not good, so relying on fundamentals to reverse the stock price may not be realistic in the short term. If the company does not want to delist, then in addition to capital driving the stock price to rebound, the only thing left is to reverse the stock again. As of July 31st, short interest in the stock was 46.92 million shares, accounting for 10.63% of the outstanding shares. Short interest increased by 36.9% from the previous month, which is unfavorable for the stock. In August, short interest is expected to increase again. On August 12th, the company announced that FF's longtime employee, Gao Wei, head of global communications and community sales, became the latest user to receive the FF91 2.0 Futurism Alliance. This delivery is the second car delivered recently since the continuation of the second phase of deliveries that began last year. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Faraday Future stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.